Hey, this is Justin, the Flipping Accountant, and today I'll be sharing with you how to find your feedback on the Amazon Seller app. If you find this information helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So I'm going to start by opening up the Amazon Seller app to get to the home screen, and there's two ways to find your feedback on here. The easiest way is to scroll to the bottom. So I'm just going to slowly kind of scroll down here, and it's pretty close to the bottom, but you can just find where it says feedback right here. It's right above voice of the customer. So you can just click on the feedback button. It'll take you straight to your feedback. If you don't want to scroll that way, the second way to find the feedback, let me go back up to the top. You can click on the top left-hand corner where there is three little lines right up there. I'm going to click on the three little lines, and then you can go down to performance. Performance should be right about there, located right underneath communication. So I'm going to click on performance. And then you see we've got account health or feedback. So I'm going to click on feedback, and this is feedback from the customers that have purchased something from you and left feedback on your Amazon store. As you can see, I have a 100% positive feedback score over the past 12 months. I've got 11 reviews. You can see the day the order was placed, the time, the order number, the review that the customer left you, which is nice, and the number of stars that they left you as well. From this screen, you can also click on the feedback and you can actually see what the item was that they ordered, which is kind of nice, or you can post a public reply. But I'll go ahead and click on the first one. It just shows the order number. Yeah, and that's about it. That's how you find your public feedback on your Amazon Seller app for your Amazon Seller account. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please consider dropping a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.